And Fleet Week isn't just about the ship tours and the Blue Angels. KPIX5's Max Darrow shows us the serious work getting done.
For the general public, Fleet Week provides an opportunity to check out some of the cool ships, planes, and more that are on display here in the Bay Area. But for the military and our public safety agencies, it provides a rare opportunity for them to train together.
We're going to get an earthquake eventually. Might be tomorrow, might be 100 years from now, but we need to be prepared for that.
Mike Mullen is a battalion chief with the San Francisco Fire Department. His personnel trained for the inevitable Big One with members of the Marines and the Navy on Treasure Island, honing the skills they'd need to use for search and rescue efforts after a devastating earthquake.
You know, when the big one happens, it's going to tax our resources. So they are working on breaking and breaching concrete, shoring, meaning stabilizing collapsed buildings, and then on lifting and moving heavy concrete objects. So it's important that we all get to learn how to work with one another, communicate, learn how each other operates so that we can best handle the situation when it arises.
That's Second-Class Petty Officer Emily Marai on the right, helping lift an enormous block of concrete. She's in the Navy. Her main takeaways from the training:
that I'm a lot stronger than I thought I was, and that I know that I'm a little more knowledgeable after this as well. Being able to come out here and see different ways of firefighting as well really allows us to kind of expand our tool belt.
It's a practical component of Fleet Week in San Francisco she's grateful for.
They've been more than welcome to share their knowledge with us, which I really appreciate.
Along with support from the public all week.
So we are very, very, very appreciative of everyone who comes and enjoys Fleet Week. Whether that's to see us, whether that's to see the planes, or you're just here to have a good time, being reminded that we're supported out there really makes us feel good.
Mullen is grateful for the yearly Fleet Week training opportunity.
It's not just the air show. It's some disaster preparedness as well.
From Treasure Island, Max Darrow, KPIX 5.